In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Xero. This guide is perfect for those looking to seamlessly integrate their payment processing with their accounting software, ensuring that your financials are accurate and up to date with minimal hassle. To get started, head over to the Xero website and log into your account. It's crucial to use the correct login credentials to ensure you're accessing the right business profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the starting point for accessing various features within Xero. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner where your store name is displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This section is your go-to spot for customizing and controlling key aspects of your Xero account, allowing you to adapt it to the specific needs of your business. Within the Settings menu, look for Payment Services. Selecting this option will take you to a page that displays the currently linked payment services. Xero's interface is designed to make managing your business transactions straightforward, and this area is central to achieving just that. On the Payment Services page, you'll see an option to add a new service. Click on Add Other, and from the list of payment providers, select Stripe. Stripe is a popular choice for many businesses due to its ease of use and integration capabilities, which are well supported within Xero. After selecting Stripe, you'll need to enter an account name and a payment account. Here, it's advisable to use a name that clearly identifies this account within your Xero platform, perhaps including the word Stripe for easy recognition. The payment account is typically where funds processed through Stripe will be deposited. Ensure you have this information handy so the setup process runs smoothly. Following this, proceed to connect to Stripe. The system will prompt you to log into your Stripe account to authorize the connection. During this step, you might be asked to verify your login details, so have any necessary authentication information ready. It's a critical phase where Xero and Stripe secure their link, allowing for data to be automatically shared between the two platforms. Once you've completed this connection, you'll see Stripe listed among your payment options in Xero, and there you have it. Now, every time a transaction is processed through Stripe, it will be automatically recorded in your Xero account. This integration simplifies bookkeeping significantly, lightening your load and reducing the chance of errors. By integrating Stripe with Xero, you're empowering your business with the tools to keep your finances organized and efficient. This pairing ensures you have more time to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in manual entries and reconciliations. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!